Hey editors, welcome back. Today's tutorial focuses on how to making a dark and moody color grade in Premiere Pro using Lumetri color less than 2 minutes. Let's jump straight in. First, apply Lumetri color. Go to Effects panel, search for Lumetri color, drag it onto your clip. Then select the clip, go to Effect Controls panel, find Lumetri color, and expand Basic Correction. For the moody look, we desaturate, so drop saturation down to about 60. Next, crush the darks. Lower blacks to -30 and shadows also to -50. This creates depth and mood. To prevent it being too flat and brightening up, lift the highlights. Increase whites to around +50. Optionally, increase contrast slightly to enhance the effect. Try adding 10 or 20. Now let's see the impact. Toggle the FX icon next to Lumetri color and effect controls. Before and after. A dramatic shift towards that dark, moody style. These settings are a great starting point. Adjust them based on your specific footage. Experiment with the sliders and basic correction to fine-tune the grade. That's the basic workflow for a dark and moody grade in Premiere Pro. Hope this was useful. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and comment with any questions. Wishing you all the best, and see you next time.